In tonight's video, I'm going to be showing you some UFO videos you've never seen before, and some of these are out the norm. I guarantee there's going to be at least one video you haven't seen. I have some alien video footage I want to show you, then also some footage from overseas.
Вот она висит.
Oh my god!
All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy 2026. You know, we jump straight into our video. So this first video clip I'm going to show you is some people that shot or filmed a UFO from an airplane. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to let this play, and I'll be back in just a minute. I don't have a date, location, or anything. It was on my computer. It's about 13, 14 years old. So let me go ahead and let this play. All right, y'all, pretty interesting clip. So I slowed it down just a little bit and I lightened it up so we can try to make out what this craft is. We've heard of UFOs circulating around planes, especially, you know, private airplanes like this, like a single engine airplane. But let me know in the comments what you think about this. I think this is some pretty good footage here, especially if it's true and authentic, but no one has come forward, and this is my first time coming across this in years, so I definitely wanted to present this to you guys to get some of your comments and information about this. So put that down below in the comments below. Now this next one's pretty short. It comes from Japan. This was shot in 2016. You guys can see there, they see a metallic ball or orb shaped craft. There are some people are saying this is a balloon, but I don't think it's a balloon at all, because he's going to zoom in on it in just a minute. But you guys see this here. Remember, it's taken in 2016, and he kind of zooms out, and that's all we have now. I wish he had got more footage of this, but there you guys see that there. If this was a balloon, it would actually be floating with the wind or something. So of course, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this as well. I wanted to show this to you and see if any of you guys have seen anything like this before. Now our next one was taken at night. Someone filmed a triangular shaped craft. It's very hard to see, but I'm gonna let it play, and then you'll see when I kind of lighten it up, you can probably see the craft a little bit more. Of course, here I am going in and trying to lighten up the background a little bit, and you can definitely see that a lot better than you could. So very short video again. Not everybody goes crazy when they film this kind of stuff, but I at least wanted to show this to you guys to get your comments on this as well, like some clouds, something we're passing over, and covered it up. This next one was taken in Russia. This guy goes kind of ballistically crazy, but I don't know Russian, so if you guys understand what he's talking about, put in the comments. Let me go ahead, let me quit my yap, and let me let this one play.
О, вот она. Вот она. Появилась. Вот она висит. Уже где-то, уже несколько секунд она висит. Вот максимальное увеличение. Что же это? О! О! Что же это? Попробуй подойти поближе. Так, толку мало. Летит, висит, пошатываясь. почему она пошатывается? Что это? Вот буквально над тем оврагом. Вот, максимальное увеличение. Что же это может быть? О, опять движется. Что же это может быть? О! Так. Снова. Снова висит.
Now, slowing this down, this was a great capture too. This one's, I think this is about 12 or 13 years old too, maybe a little bit older. But the reason why I'm kind of showing this is I showed the other horses. They look a little bit similar in their shape and their characteristics. But I thought it was pretty interesting as he filmed it here. You guys see how it's kind of wobbling there? And then towards the end, how it bounces up and down. I wish we had more video footage, but this is all that I have. But I've never seen one behave or act like this with these particular characteristics. Now this one here, people are saying this is some kind of new surveillance or security drone. It was taken in 2013, but clearly you see this flying around. Now it does have some characteristics like some of the other ones I showed to you before, but what's curious about this one is you'll see a light flash at a certain point in time when it gets closer to the camera, like right there, and then you'll see it flash again. So it looks like this may be looking for something. I'm not 100% sure, but people were saying this is a new type of security drone, which I haven't had time to look up on. But if this is some type of drone, you guys put it down in the comments so that going on in the future, no one gets fooled when they see us think it's a UFO. There's another flash there, there's another flash there. And here it is looking at this up close. You guys see those light flashes underneath it? Now this next one here is very short. It shows the alien being walking around, looks like it's in some kind of captivity. I've heard that these things walk kind of funny. I've heard that they got upset in the 40s or 50s when we saw them, they were walking around. This one right here, I have no other information on this, but I am just showing this to you guys. When you light it up like I did, you can see more of its characteristics, more of it moving around and stuff. And when I slow it down here, you can see its facial features just a little bit right there. You can at least see two eyes and a nose. And then when you zoom in a little bit, you can see it a little bit more. I know it's blurry and distorted, but it's a very old video. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. I thought this was pretty interesting. Wanted to show this to you guys. If it's some type of interdimensional being, non-human intelligence, whatever it may be, I have never seen this before, so I wanted to show this to you guys and get some of your feedback on it, because it could be a million and one things going on here. And of course, going to end this video with the classic clip. This was taken in 1997 from Gulf Breeze, from Ed Walters. I'll be doing a whole video on this probably in the next week and a half or so, but I've always liked this clip. This is a lot clearer than what I've had before, so I want to show this to you guys. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about tonight's video. There were a lot of good clips in here. Some were skeptical, but I still want to at least present some unique good video clips for you guys. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching.
Thank you.